In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log a support case on the Salesforce help portal, ensuring you get the assistance you need in a timely manner. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail to make sure all the necessary information is included. First things first, begin by accessing the Salesforce help portal at help.salesforce.com. When you arrive at the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. A prompt should appear, guiding you to enter your login details. This initial step is crucial because it allows you access to all the features available through the help portal. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you should see a tab labeled either My Cases or Cases. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step. This area of the portal is dedicated to case management and will serve as the hub for all your support interactions. Now, you need to select the appropriate Salesforce organization that requires support. If you manage multiple organizations, it's important to choose the correct one, as each might have its own set of configurations and associated issues. With the organization selected, you're ready to create a new support case. Look for the Create a Case or New Case button. Clicking this will open a form that you need to fill out with care. Begin by summarizing the issue in the subject field. Keep it brief yet descriptive enough to give an initial insight into the problem. Then move to the description section where you'll provide a thorough explanation of the issue you're experiencing. Include as much detail as possible to help the support team understand the context and nature of the problem fully. To ensure the support team can replicate the issue, outline the steps to reproduce it. Use a numbered list for clarity and precision. This is a crucial element as it provides the team with a step-by-step guide to mimic the conditions that lead to the issue. Next, select the product and topic from the given options that best correspond to your issue. This helps categorize your problem correctly, directing it to the right support specialist. Specify the environment in which the issue occurs, whether it's a live production environment or a sandbox. This information can significantly affect the advice and solutions provided. Determine the severity of the issue by choosing an appropriate level. This indicates to the support team the urgency and impact of the problem on your operations. If you have any supportive documents or screenshots that can aid the diagnosis, use the Attach File feature to upload them. Visual aids can be incredibly helpful in conveying information that may be complex to describe in words. After you've meticulously filled out all the relevant sections, take a moment to review your details. Ensuring accuracy at this stage can save time in resolving your issue. Once satisfied, click the Submit or Create Case button to formalize your request. You will receive a confirmation email with your case number, marking the successful submission of your support request. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to getting your Salesforce queries resolved efficiently.